Elevator ride. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes the elevator. Elevator ride in the beer brewery. Woo! In the beer brewery.
Can we open the door for you?
Oh wow! Thank you, madame.
Step inside.
Yeah, okay, very nice. You know, this is a family video.
Whatever. Woo!
Pool tables, kitchen prep, something like that.
Why don't you take a picture of the brewery?
And then here's the
Brewery.
where they ferment.
Fermentation
I
happens.
guess.
Hang on. I'm gonna open the door for you. Hang on.
Oh, Sylvie's gonna get the door.
Hang on.
She's so kind.
Go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.